Hey everyone, want to create smooth links to sections on different pages in Webflow? Well, I'll show you how to do just that. So let's get started. Give your section an ID on the target page. So select the section you want to link to. In the settings panel, add a unique ID. Next, you want to create the link. So go to the page where you want to create the link. Select the text or button, and in the link settings panel, type the URL of the page followed by hashtag and the section ID. For example, /about #services. Then test it out by clicking the link, and you'll be taken to the section on the other page. If this was helpful, give it a like and subscribe. I'll catch you later.